It's ready.
We welcome the ambassadors, excellencies, government officers, friends from all the communities, business communities, to participate in this important event. This will be a milestone for CPEC. And you see, within 1 year, a free zone with complete infrastructure, equipped with all the facilities are in place. This shows the investor, the business community are very keen on the development of Gwadar. And we believe with the involvement of Chinese, Pakistani investor and all the investors from the world, that the potential of Gwadar will be shown in the economic development of Pakistan very soon. And this exhibition has get very positive from the communities. We already get more than 3,000 exhibitors application and more than 10,000 visitors have submitted their application for participate in this event. And due to flight and accommodation limit, we are sorry that we cannot take care of them all. But we are taking more than 200 exhibitors, more than 5,000 visitors participate this event. And we are sorry for the people, for the exhibitors who cannot participate the exhibition, but we will try to take all of them next year. And I hope that all the exhibitors, visitors who have successfully registered in this free zone will take advantage of this event to understand the development plan of Gwadar and to try to find reliable partners and sign more agreement. Let's all of us join hand by hand for the development of Gwadar for the benefit of Pakistan. And I wish that this event will be a successful event. This event will boost the economic cooperation of Pakistan, China, Afghanistan, Iran, UAE, and many other countries. The best wishes to this event, and I wish all visitors, all exhibitors will enjoy their stay in Gwadar, will enjoy the beauty, the natural beauty of Gwadar, and have a good time in Gwadar. Thanks.